Hello, teacher. Children.
What's
My name is Jim. I'm 7 years old.
good? How are you today?
Yes.
You're good? How are you today?
I'm happy.
Good. Okay. Can you sing the song early in the morning?
This is the way we walk our friends. Walk our friends. Walk our friends. This is the way we walk our friends. And in the morning. This is the way. Come on here. Come on here. Come on here. This is the way we come on here. And it's in the morning. This is the way we eat the food. Eat the food. Eat the food. This is the way we work. Eat the food. And in the morning. This is the way we work.
Brush our teeth.
Brush our teeth. Our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth. Early in the morning.
Perfect. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Can you tell me what you do early in the morning?
Early in the morning, we first
You wash your face.
we wash our face and comb our hair and eat our food and brush
Our teeth.
our teeth.
Good. Okay. Thank you. Now let's talk about your body parts. Which body parts do you use to wiggle?
Wiggle.
I wiggle
I wiggle with body.
good with my body. Okay. Which body parts do you use to jump?
I jump
Good.
with is
Legs.
my legs.
Good. My legs. I jump with my legs. Which body parts do you use to fly?
I fly with hands
And
and
arms.
arms.
Arms. Good. Which body parts do you use to swim? Swim
I swim
with
with my foot,
my arms.
my arms,
And
and my legs.
good. Your legs. Which body parts do you use to crawl? Crawl.
I crawl with my hands and
Knees.
knees.
Good. The last one. Which body parts do you use to climb?
I climb with hands and feet.
Perfect. Thank you. Now we have learned the vowel R or er. Let's read the book.
The girls and the turtle.
Good.
A nose right a house.
Good. A nurse rides the horse. Horse.
Horse.
Where's your horse?
A teacher rides a bird.
Good.
A girl rides a turtle.
Good. Rides a turtle.
Oh no, corn. My house,
Horse.
my horse. It does
Short.
church.
Good.
no, what grip?
Good.
My shirt is purple.
Good.
Oh no, a monster. Get in the car, turtle.
Good. Good job. Bye.